All right, so check it out. We're here at a job. We don't always get this opportunity to show you a house like this where it's one side unfinished and then the other side finished. So this is what the house looked like initially. You know, just delete the Tyvek for a moment. But you see it's old T111 everywhere. Two different houses, same structure. People are sick of the color. They want to make it updated, new, and watertight. So you see what's going on there? Old T111, you see the way it looks? Now, if you slide over to this side, you'll be able to see what a finished product looks like. Keep rolling.
Go with the window.
Notice how the job site is nice and clean. Always got to keep it nice and clean. You good? All right, so you see now what you got is you got all new CertainTeed granite gray double 5 straight siding up there. I mean, it's beautiful. It's like day and night. All right, new gutter, new siding. It's really cool. So also another thing, come back to the front, you can see the difference. You know, get creative when you're thinking of you want to update your home. If you stand back here, all right, and then flip around, you look up, you see on the right side, you got what it used to look like, okay? That's an old little walkout area, very dangerous. And then you got the new side, the clean side. Window, clean, beautiful. I mean, if Juliet walked out on that balcony, that story wouldn't have lasted too long. She would have been dead-zo, right on the ground. So anyway, you see the B, you see the A, give us a shout.